Jenny! What are you doing here?
Hello, Marcos. I came here with my aunt.
Aunt? Who is your aunt?
How does she know Marcos, sir? And she's talking to him so casually.
Sir, I'm her aunt.
Oh, so you're her aunt. Tokyo, you're very lucky to have Jenny as your niece. She's a very brave girl.
Yes, sir. I know. She's very brave. And a really good girl.
Yeah, but Tokyo, why do you seem so upset? Is everything okay?
Sir, actually, Kyra ma'am fired me.
What?
Kyra, what is this I'm hearing?
Sir, she brought a thief here trying to get her hired.
A thief? Who?
Sir, that girl.
What? Are you even listening to yourself? You're talking about Jenny? Are you even in your senses, Kyra? She's one of the most honest and brave girls I've seen.
No, sir, you're mistaken. I know her from before. She used to work at my friend's house, and she was caught stealing there.
I didn't steal anything.
Did I ask you? I'm talking to Sir. Who do you think you are to interrupt?
Kyra, how can you talk to her like that?
Sir, I know what I'm saying. She is a thief.
Enough. I don't want to hear another word against Jenny. Maybe you don't know this, but if she wasn't there yesterday, this company would have suffered a huge loss. The tender we got today, we got it because of her.
The tender? Because of her?
Yes. The entire amount could have been stolen yesterday if Jenny hadn't stopped those thieves. And after all that, you still dare to call her a thief.
Sir, I'm not wrong.
That's enough, Kyra. I've heard more than enough from you. One more word against her, and you won't like what happens next. Now go, and get back to your work.
Okay, sir.
Jenny, I've seen what you did yesterday. Not everyone has the courage to stand up like that. That's why I've made a decision. From today, you will handle the accounts of this company.
Sir? Me?
Yes, the entire financial record, all the accounts. I don't think I can find anyone more trustworthy than you. And don't worry, you can meet Coco. She'll guide you and explain everything.
Thank you so much, sir. I won't let you down.
I know you will not, Jenny. I have to head to a meeting now. See you later.
So she got the job. In front of everyone. She made me look like a fool. This isn't over, Jenny. I'll make sure you regret this. Finally, peace. The day she left, everything went back to normal. No more drama. No more comparisons. Now Dad will not compare me to her every single day.
Jenny, come out. I will not spare you both. You think you can run away from me?
Who is that? Who are you? What do you want?
I am Jenny's father. Call her out right now.
Jenny? What are you talking about? She's not.
Don't lie to me. I know she came here.
What's going on here? are you? Why are you shouting outside my house?
I said I'm Jenny's father.
So, what are you doing here?
She ran away from my house. Call her out right now, or this won't end well.
She's not here. We threw her out. She was caught stealing.
Are they lying or telling the truth? All right, I'll trust you for now. But if this turns out to be a lie, if she comes here, you inform me immediately. And if you helped her, you'll regret it.
Learn English with Kylie.